Hi boys and girls, welcome to day 2 of Writer's Workshop during activity choice time. There's a few materials that you're going to need, so let me show you what those are. You're going to need this graphic organizer recording sheet. You will also need your iPad with the 3 facts that you recorded, and you'll need a pencil. If you don't have those items, pause the video and go and get them now. Welcome back. Now the first thing you're going to do is you're going to write your name up at the top of your graphic organizer. Pause the video while you write your name. Perfect job. Now right in the middle, you're going to write the name of the animal that you chose to research. If you can't remember, you need to listen on your iPad so that it will remind you. So pause the video and go ahead and write down the name of the animal that you chose to research. Great. Now, boys and girls, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to be listening to the facts that you thought were interesting so that you can write them down on your paper. I just want to remind you what the different parts of this graphic organizer are. This is appearance. If your fact was about the appearance of the animal, what it looked like, you're going to write it right up here. Food. If your fact was about what type of food your animal eats, it's going to go right in this section. Next, we have interesting facts. If there's anything else that doesn't go with the other titles, you can add it there. Habitat. Habitat is where your animal lives. So you can write that right here if that was one of your interesting facts. And lastly, we have predators or dangers, something that is harmful to your animal. What do they need to protect themselves from? If you had an interesting fact that covered that, you would write it there. Go ahead and pause this video and listen to your interesting facts. When you're done, come back and listen to me one more time. Great, welcome back, boys and girls. You just listened to your interesting facts and you filled out your paper. I just wanted to go over these topics one more time. We had appearance, food, predators or dangers, habitat, interesting facts. And right here is where the name of your animal goes. Great job filling this out. Put it in your folder where your teacher usually has you keep it because you'll need it again for tomorrow's Writer's Workshop.